So there's a big question here. So does AI help thinking or replace it? What do you think? Let me know. Future Ready Insights at ducadigital.com. Coming up this week, Apple have got their Worldwide Developers Conference, and there's a lot of criticism recently that we covered a couple of weeks ago about their big reveal on AI last year, which just didn't really happen because they were just completely unprepared. So it'll be interesting to see what they've got in their plans for the year ahead. The story comes to us from the Times of India. But leaked reports suggest iOS 26, so 26 is reflective now of the year. It's kind of a new way Apple are updating their system, their kind of software updates for all their devices. So iOS 26 will be packed with AI-powered updates. This is what the story says. From smarter Siri to predictive tools and privacy-centric assistants. But some suggest that AI will not be a major feature this time around until they deliver most of the promised features from last year and try to get back on track. But if Apple does play its cards right with the AI this time around, it could be a huge defining moment because they've got such a massive market to capture and use. And they've got some creative ways that with their devices to help users be more intuitive and visible and kind of very kind of Apple centric. But if they are too slow, then we could see the beginning of the end of Apple's reign of technology, as it's clear that the rivals are really taking the lead. They're also doing a lot of work we've mentioned before with Anthropic and also with OpenAI as well. So I wouldn't be surprised to see perhaps to be more of that happening rather than sort of taking the lead. That's it for all the stories this week on Future Ready Insights. I really hope you enjoy these stories. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share with someone who's keeping an eye on the AI horizon. Bit of a mouthful, that one. But if you've got a question or a headline you'd like us to explore, or you're interested in appearing as a guest on a future show, email futurereadyinsights@ducadigital.com. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great week ahead.